A very good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are safe and healthy. So, good morning, happy sunshine. What is the thought for the day? That all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Means nothing is impossible for you people. If you have the willpower, you can even make out something from the stone also. Okay? So, keep working hard. So today our topic of discussion is articles. This is also not a new topic for you people. You all are studying this topic since class I think 2. In 2 also you people have studied, in 3, 4, 5 you have studied this topic. Now again we are going to discuss this topic at length. It's not very difficult topic, just you have to remember some of the rules. Okay, articles. An article is a word. What is article? An article is a word that comes before a noun, like the boy, a bee, an apple, okay, a book, an ink pen, the notebook, okay. So these are the three articles. We can categorize these three articles into two categories: indefinite article and definite article, right? So now what the first, let us discuss indefinite article. Which one do I choose, a or an? Now a or an, they both means one, and these indefinite articles can be used for the countable nouns. For which nouns? Countable nouns means the things that you can count. There only you can say that one thing or more than one. So when there is a one thing, there's only one thing, we use article a or an. Let's see how to use a or an. The very first thing you people have studied since class 2, that there are 5 vowels. What are the 5 vowels in English? A, E, I, O, U. What are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. And rest of the other alphabets are known as consonants. See, in Hindi also the same thing you people study. In Hindi you people study swar. In swar, what do you study? Chota, bada, choti, badi, chotau, badau, ri, chotiye, badiye, chotiyang, badiyang. All these alphabets you study in swar. Kaka, gana, chacha, jajawa, tatarana, tatadadana, papa, babama, yara, lavaha, shasa, ha, chhatra, gya. These all alphabets you study under the category of Vyanjan. Similarly, here also in English, we have 5 vowels. What are those 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U, and remaining others are known as consonant, right? Like, so the very first rule, the basic rule of article a and an is, if used before words beginning with the consonant, we use a, like a man, a lamp, a cat. See, am is a consonant, al is a consonant, c is a consonant. What are we using? We are using a. Used before words that begin with a vowel sound. And an is used where? With the words that begin with a vowel, like apple, eraser, umbrella. Apple, eraser, umbrella. Clear? Is it clear to you all? Apple, A is a vowel. Eraser, E is a vowel. Umbrella, U is a vowel. Hope it is very clear to you all. Now, let's see what are the other rules for the same indefinite article a or an. See, use before words beginning with a consonant sound. That I have told you earlier also. A man, a lamp, a cat, right? Before a word that begins, before a noun that begins with a consonant, we use a. The noun that begins with the vowel, we use an, like an apple, an eraser, an umbrella. Now, I have told you that, let's see third rule, a or an should agree with the first sound in the adjective or the adverb adjective combination with which stands before a noun, which stands before a noun. Now see here, this old is an adjective, 80 year is adverb of number 80. If I write the spelling of 80 or we pronounce 80, we speak 80. The sound is that of A. A is coming 80. The spelling starts with E, vowel, and the sound when we speak it is coming A. What is it coming? A. A sound is coming, okay? So, an 80. A golden necklace. Now here go, golden, g sound is that of a consonant, okay? Golden. In Hindi also it comes under the category of Vyanjan, okay? See the magics. Try to understand that all the consonant, all the vowels that we have in English, A, E, I, O, U, their sound is similar to the swar of Hindi. Like A is similar to E is similar to E, I is similar to A. Okay, so this way these sounds are similar to our swar in Hindi. Okay, now see a golden necklace. Here the sound, this is G is a consonant and it is very clear that the sound is that of a consonant only. So a golden. A pretty girl. Here P is a consonant and the sound is also is that of a consonant. P, pretty girl. Okay, so a pretty girl. Use a before words, letters, number which sound like they begin with consonant if the first letter is a vowel. See, now here the contradiction come, here the exceptional case comes. Our word begins with E. E is a vowel. I have told you in the previous rules that E is a vowel. We write N. But when we speak Euro, the sound is that of Y. The sound is that of Y. Euro. European. Okay. See the difference. When I say ear, the sound is that of E. Okay. And when I say European, the sound is that of Y. If you will write it in Hindi also, you will find, if I write it in Hindi also, I will write how? If I have to write eagle, I show you how I am going to write eagle. See here. Eagle. European. See how I have written eagle, European. Now see, this is a eagle. Okay, this is eagle. The sound, this is E, vowel, and the this also if we pronounce it, then also we get a swar. Okay, vowel sound. This is called vowel sound, eagle. Okay, but when we say European, we never say an European, we say a European. Why? Because the sound is that of U, ya European. Y sound is that of Y, a European. This is counted known as Vyanjan in Hindi. So hope it is very clear to you people. Understood that the sound is that of a consonant, not a vowel. Similarly, a university. Like now see the difference between the sound of two words that are beginning with U. If I say an umbrella, the sound is that of umbrella. A sound is coming. Umbrella, a sound is coming, right? And when I say university, the sound is that of university. Y again. University, Y sound is coming. Ya sound is coming. Okay. When I say university. So there is a magic of sound. You can say it is a magic of sound that decides that where we have to use A or N. Similarly, A1. Now see here it was old. When we say old, see the difference between pronunciation. OLD, we will pronounce this word as old. Okay. But when we say ONE, we will say one. So see the sound old. The sound is that of a sound. A sound is coming. Yes or no? Yes. O sound is coming. old, a sound, okay, a is coming, okay, vowel sound is coming. But when we say 1 rupee note, we will say a 1 rupee note. The spelling is starting again with o, but the sound is that of we. We is we. Okay, and we is, I'm not talking about b, I'm saying we. We is again a consonant. Hope it is very clear to you all. We use an before the words, letters, numbers which sound like they start with a vowel even if the first letter is a consonant. Similarly, vice versa, the same kind of rule is applicable with the consonants also. Sometimes the word starts with a consonant but the sound is that of a vowel because the very first word in the very first letter in the word is silent. For example, N R. See, the sound is that of O, not H. We never say N, we never say hover, we say R. Okay, we say honest, we don't say honest. Okay, so the sound is that of vowel O. Okay, a sound is there. Similarly, an 8 and F. Like some short abbreviation you people might have heard, like BA, MA. Okay, we write BA, B dot A dot, am dot A. MA is the short form of Masters of Arts. BA is the short form of Bachelor of Arts. So similarly, there are many short forms, many short abbreviations like SDM, and many are there, like MP, Member of Parliament. Okay, so there are many short forms. Now what we have to put before them, we can say ABA, okay, because the sound is that of a consonant itself, ABA. But when we say am a, when we say am, pronounce am, we say a sound. What sound comes? A. So it will be an ma. It will not be a ma. But if we will talk about monkey, there we will not write what? And we will write only a because the sound is that of consonant itself. So we have to take care a lot about the sound of the word. If the sound is that of a vowel, then we will put an. If the sound is that of a consonant, then we will put a before that. Hope it is very clear to you. It doesn't matter whether our word, sometimes in some cases, it doesn't matter that our word starts with a consonant or vowel. We have to follow the rule of the sound. If the sound is that of a vowel, write an. If the sound is that of a consonant, write a. Hope it is very clear to you all. We also use indefinite articles a or an to show that someone or something belongs to a group. Like Neha is a singer. Like Neha belongs to the group of singers. Now article the. See, article the is also known by another name, that is definite article, because it is the fixed article. So the definite article is the word the. It is used before a noun to specify if it as something previously considered. Means if we have talked about it previously and we are talking about again, then we can put a the before it. Like see, when we have to use the after you have talked about it the first time. Like this is a dog, the dog is brown. See, we are talking about the same dog in two sentences. First sentence says this is a dog because it is an ordinary dog. The dog is brown. But now in the second sentence, in the following sentence, we are talking about the same dog that we have talked about in the previous sentence. So it will become the dog is brown. Clear? Let's see one more example. A car is parked outside my house. A car, a common car, any car, right? Now again I am talking about the same car. In my next sentence I will say the car belongs to my aunt. The car belongs to my aunt. Because I am talking about the same car means particular car, so I have used the. Earlier it was not a particular car because I have not never discussed about that car earlier, so I did not put the, I used a car, right? But in the second sentence, when I'm talking about the same car about which I have talked about in the previous sentence, I will put the before it. The car belongs to my aunt. Second thing, see, use the when the person you are talking to already knows what you are talking about. Like, I am going to the bank. Now, suppose I am talking to my brother, to my sister, and he's asking, where are you going? I'm saying, I'm going to the bank. Means the person knows at which bank do I go, why do I go to bank, or what is the purpose of my visit to the bank. So I will say the bank. Understood? Because my brother already knows about it, that why do I go there, which bank do I go, what is the purpose of my visit to the bank. There is someone knocking at the door, it must be the computer repairman. Now suppose you have talked over phone to a computer repairman, your computer is not working, you have asked him to come and repair your computer. Now, so there is after 1 hour there is a knock at the gate. You will simply understand, because you already know this fact, that computer repairman is about to come to your place to repair the computer. So you will say, it must be the computer repair man. Understood? Because you are already aware about it, that who is about to come. Use the when you talk about general places in nature like the lake, mountains, ocean, the beach, etc. Let us go to the beach. I love to camp in the mountains. Okay, general place when we talk about. Use the when you are talking about something that there is only one and everyone knows about it. One of its kind, unique, like the sky, the earth, the globe, the stars as a group. Okay, how many people are there on the earth? The sky is so beautiful today, means this is only one of its kind. We use the before the musical instruments like the piano, the guitar, the drums, the violin, the harp. The things that are one of its kind, like the moon, the sun, the stars, the planets, the earth, the world. Some countries, the United States, the United Kingdom, the Philippines, the Bahamas, the Netherlands, the Ivory Coast. Why do we use? These are all proper nouns. We do not use the before proper nouns. But here we are using proper before the proper nouns. I have earlier also told you that if a particular place has a special geographical feature, then we put the before it. We never say the Gurgaon, we never say the Haryana, we never say the India, but we say the Punjab. In India, there is only one state before the name of which we use the. Do you know why? Because the name itself defines its speciality, geographical speciality. Panj means five, Aw means river. Punjab is the only state all over India through which five rivers flow, and that makes it unique. So we say the Punjab. But we don't use the before any other country or states, the before the name of country or states, but we say the USA, the United States of America. Why? Because USA is a group of two states, again a special geographical feature. We say the UK, the United Kingdom. Why do we say the UK? Because United Kingdom is also a group of different small countries. So whenever we talk about some countries, and if they have a special geographical feature, we put the before them. We put the before the names of oceans and rivers like the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea. We use the name before the names of mountain ranges like the Alps, the Himalayas, the Rockies, the Andes, the Aravallis, before the names of the nationalities and families, the Chinese, Earlier also, just few days earlier, when I had given you the back exercise of the chapter, I told you, when we say the English, it means the person who speaks English, the native of England. But when we say English, it means the language, English language that we are studying right now. If we say French, French means language. If we say the French, it means the person who speaks French, means the native of France. Clear? Before the names of rivers, before the names of group of people like the young, the old, the rich. Okay? Before the names of magazines, newspapers, we use article the. We use the before a singular countable noun that represents a whole class of animals or things. Like, for example, the peacock is a beautiful bird. The peacock is a beautiful bird means whichever peacock you see, I may see a peacock near my home, you may see peacock near your home, somebody else can see a peacock somewhere else. Just few days earlier we could see on news channels that there was a peacock roaming here and there on the roads of Mumbai. So there can be anywhere, a peacock can be anywhere. Okay, so if we say the peacock is a beautiful bird, means we are talking about all the peacocks that are there all over the world. We are talking about the class of that, means this category of a peacock, that they are this category of bird, that the peacock is a beautiful bird. The is used with superlative adjectives. Tina is the most talented girl in her family. Now see, Tina is the most talented girl. This is what is adjective. Most talented. This is the superlative degree. But sometimes see, we do not use the before comparative degree. But sometimes when this comparative degree is used as an adverb, then we use the before it. Like, the more you practice, the more efficient you will be in particular thing. See, the more you practice, more is a comparative degree, but instead of being used it as a comparative degree, it is being used as an adverb. So it become, we put the before it. Normally, you don't use the definite article the in front of proper nouns like names of people, but when we use a proper noun as an adjective, we use article the. Like, he is the Sachin Tendulkar of the game, means somebody is there among your fellows and he has played the game like Sachin Tendulkar with same efficiency. Then you just compare him with Sachin Tendulkar. You are using Sachin Tendulkar not as a proper noun but as an adjective. Then you will say he is the Sachin Tendulkar of the game. Now suppose somebody is behaving very strangely, okay, and or in a very scientific way, then you can say the addition effect made him behave like this. Now Edison, who was Edison? Edison was a scientist. It is a proper noun, but here we have used it as an adjective. So we have put the before it. When any adjective is used as a title, we always put the before it. Like Akbar the Great, Patel the Iron Man. See, great is an adjective, but here it has not been used as an adjective, but it has been used as a title. Here, Iron Man has not been used as an adjective. Here it has been used as a title. Now, when to use no article to talk about things, this was all about where to use article the, and where not to use article the, that we have to see, or any article, okay, to talk about things in general. Like, milk is good for you. Like, milk is good for you, it is good for me also, good for you also, good for your father also, good for your mother also, good for your sister also, good for your granny also, good for your grandpa also. Whosoever is there, milk is good for everybody's health because it is a complete diet. But when I will talk in particular, I will say the milk in this glass is fresh, okay, because I am talking about the little quantity, particular quantity that is there in the glass, then that is why I put the. But when I say milk is good for you, good for your health, means I am talking about milk in general sense. Like, water is a necessity, it is in general sense, but I say The water in this bottle is contaminated. It means I'm talking about the particular quantity of water, not water in general sense. To talk about sports and games, when we talk about sports and game, we don't put like let us go and play basketball, let us go and play cricket. Before the names of country, Japan, France, Italy, except the UK, the US means not UK and US. Before the names of countries, we don't, or states, we don't put the, unless and until the place has a special geographical feature. As I told you, the Punjab is a group of five rivers, a state through which five rivers flow. The US is a group of two states. United States means North America and South America. The UK again is a group of many small countries and make United Kingdom. We do not write article the before mountain peaks. See beta, this is a major mistake. See, I have put a cross. Hope you people are able to see. There is a cross over here. This is a cross over here. The Mount Everest, if you people will write, it is completely wrong. See, hope you are able to see this blue color line. A cross has been put. So the Mount Everest is wrong. What is correct? Mount Everest is correct and the Mount Everest is wrong, because beta, Mount Everest is just a peak in the Himalayas, not a complete mountain range. But most often it is seen that you write the Mount Everest. It is completely wrong. We do not write the before the names of disease except measles and mumps. Many times I have seen your application, you people write, I am suffering from the fever. It is completely wrong. What is fever only? There are only two diseases we use the before them, that is the measles, the mumps. We do not use the before material noun. When we say gold is a precious metal, we do not write the. But when we particularize it, like the gold of this ring is not good, means we are talking about a small quantity of gold that has been used in making that ring, means particular gold we are talking about, then we will put the. But if we talk in general sense about material noun, like gold is an precious metal, iron is a useful metal, then we do not put article the. So thank you. This video will be followed by a small exercise for you people that you have to do in your language notebook, as well as I am sending you one letter. Regarding letter, I just would like to say to you people that you have to take care of all the punctuation mark that I have already explained you people, but still many of you make mistake. I have in the class itself I have corrected so many of you, but you make those errors again and again. Please try to avoid those mistakes. Thank you. Have a nice day.